Hello. So on frequently asked questions, this is the app's icon, SpendTrack app. It is rooted on a Google app called AppSheet. That's next to it. So this app uses AppSheet to communicate with the database. So the database is a Google Sheet spreadsheet. So if you want to use the app, you first have to install the AppSheet. Then I send you the link to this app. The app will only work when you have the AppSheet installed because it uses the AppSheet to communicate with the spreadsheet. Haya, acha tuingie kwa app. SpendTrack ndo hiyo, this is how it looks. So this is today's expenses. Of course, if I want to add, just click on the plus button, then select the category. Maybe I want to pay rent, subscription, rent, 14,000, save. The rent imeongezwa hapo chini. If you wake up tomorrow and you haven't entered anything, so this page will be blank. But the overall expenses, these are the all of the expenses, all the entries. Nice. This is the filter section. The third view, the filter section. If you want to filter by, let's say, rent, I'll just click this icon. Yep. And filter by date. Let's see, rent from January 1st. Oh, January 1st. Nice. Set up to date today. Category. Leave that blank to include all categories. Maybe by mistake you entered rent in another category. So it's safe you leave that blank to select all categories. Then filter here by rent. Save. So after it has synced, you can come to the expense, the filtered category. You can see the rent is 14,000 for that from January to October. So I want to filter by, let's say, fuel. Let me filter by fuel. Nice. Fuel up on 12.50. And I said you can track your data using the app. So you come, let's say someone borrows money. So today, ameomba 500. Category inasema ni gift and charity. Let me say miscellaneous. The description, loan to Onyi. Amount 550. Maybe to be paid by 1st November. Yeah, that's serious, man. To be paid by 1st November. First up. 550 save. And your loan to Onyi to be paid by 1st November 550. So utakuangalia you filter by loan. Maybe select from January to date. Yeah. Option this category. Leave blank to include all categories. This is safe to leave this blank if you want to select to filter by a specific item because maybe you might have entered it into a wrong category. So just leave that blank, then filter by loan. Let's see. So loan here there is Onyi to be paid by 1st November. Onyi hajalipa. Maybe I gave loan to JR, but he paid back, so indicated by negative 200. Or you can just delete the entry. So total amount that people owe me is 550. Hypothetical. What else? Today. So let's say you're tracking all of your expenses for this particular month. You come by filter. Then you say for the month of October. 1st to October 30th, and leave this blank so that it selects everything. So anytime you enter something, so long as it's within October, it will be shown here and the total will be given. The amount is 22,057. So maybe let me include something. Let me add maybe airtime. Communication done. Description airtime. Amount save. So obviously it has been included. It was 22,157, but now up to now I've spent 22,157. Yeah. About this app helps you track your expenses for the purpose of better financial decision making. And this is where you'll see your email that you used to log in. You can send feedback. I love the app. Done. What else? You can share, but if you share, the person won't be able to use it unless I include he or she as a user. Then you can add the shortcut to your desktop. Let me say add. After adding this out, you'll see this up. All right. Let me go back. Okay, that's basically it. What else? So this amount is always the amount that you filter. It should always show at the top. There to close.